Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. Today's topic is most beautiful medicinal flowers in India. Medicinal plants and flowers are used for medicinal purpose in Ayurveda as an alternative medicine for the list of treatment of disease in India. Here is the list of top 10 stunning medicinal flowers of India to grow in your house garden, herbal and ornamental. Holly basil. Holly basil plant is native to the Indian subcontinent, known for religious and traditional medicine purposes, commonly used in Ayurveda as well as for herbal tea. Tulsi flowers and leaves are used in Ayurveda for the treatment of various diseases such as fever, insect bite, asthma, and natural toothpaste. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is the most popular red flower, also known as one of the most divine flowers found in India, and favorite flower of Hindu gods. Hibiscus flowers are cultivated as ornamental plants, and tea made from hibiscus flowers is highly nutritious with vitamin C content. Also has medicinal uses in Ayurveda. Marigold. The African marigold is a state flower of Gujarat and very popular in Indian culture during festive of Deepavali, used for decoration and religious events. The calendula variety of marigold has a list of health benefits with great healing abilities like new skin tissue, and marigold flower tea is good remedy for mouth and stomach ulcer. Night flowering jasmine. The night flowering jasmine is also known as tree of sorrow and is official flower of state of West Bengal. Parijat seeds, flowers and leaves have been used in Ayurvedic medicine and homeopathy. Crepe jasmine and Arabian jasmine and Indian jasmine are few more species of white jasmine flowers of India used in Ayurvedic medicine of India and the traditional medicine of Indonesia. Strayed lotus. Indian lotus is the most beautiful aquatic plant species and is the national flower of India. Indian lotus cultivated in water gardens for its edible seeds, rhizomes used for diarrhea, cholera, fever in Ayurveda. Blue pea. The flower used for natural food coloring and in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for memory enhancing and cleaning wounds. Exora red. Exora red or jungle geranium is common flowering shrub, most commonly in Hindu god worship as well as in Ayurveda of Indian folk medicine. Rosy periwinkle. Rosy periwinkle found across the world as grown as ornamental and medicinal plant. Its flowers, roots and shoots are used against several diseases in India, traditional medicine of Ayurveda. Rose. Rose flowers are very popular cut flowers with hundreds of species in different colors, and most of the species are native to India and Asia. The rose hip is a source of vitamin C used in herbal and folk medicine for stomach problems, and also flowers are used for rose water with distinctive flavor and make herbal tea. Sunflower. Sunflower mainly cultivated as food crops for humans as ornamental plants in gardens. The edible medicine plant with seeds and flowers are a good source of phosphorus and certain minerals which are beneficial for your health and helps reduce blood pressure and supports bone health. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you found it interesting. If you like this video, press like button and share this video with family, friends and relatives. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.